Morning. I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, Rogni College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about middleware architecture of SCADA, RFID and wireless sensor network. Middleware architecture of SCADA, RFID, WSense. From this, students can understand what is the middleware architecture of SCADA and how the communication can be done from machine to machine through the IoT. Middleware architecture of SCADA. The concept of machine-to-machine area network, was introduced by 3GPP/ETSI MTC, Machine Type Communication Specification. This concept also applied to all pillar segment of IoT. The remote terminal unit, programmable logic controller or even process assault system communicate to the SCADA or middleware server by a gateway similar to MAN but all wired that aggregated data from different wired field buses. The SCADA system is assessed in the LAN environment. Sometimes XDSL, cable, Wi-Fi, WiMAX can be used before it is integrated into corporate back office. Middleware architecture. So middleware architecture will have this Modbus. Normally will have the application, fire alarm, security system, HVAC system, production system. With this access system to Modbus serial level, middleware and middleware management tools, TCP/IP internet and extranet, device management, security to ERP. So this is the basic SCADA middleware architecture. SCADA middleware architecture, central data control. It has the central data control. Provides the software platform, Integra, which utilize data agent to translate protocol from different building system, component into different management system. A control master product has the SCADA heritage. SCADA may be best known for industrial process, but it is deployed for infrastructure, water treatment, plant, gas pipeline, etc., as well as facility system. Control Manifesto is a web-based human-machine interface and it is able to deliver real-time and historical information. So Richard said middleware solution is a combination of system controller and software. Tritium provide Nigeria Java-based middleware framework and JACE hardware controller. The Nigeria platform provide protocol translation for a range of system and tool to build application. With the development of wireless technology, system has been developed that blend wireless with wired communication in SCADA application. SenseLinks is a middleware and software suite from Mesnetic that link wireless sensor network with SCADA system. Sensor data collected from the node is channelized through RS-232, RS-435, USB Ethernet or GPS gateway to SenseLink server. RFID middleware. RFID networking share a similar three-tiered communication architecture as shown. RFID reader are the gateway similar to MAN. Data from the reader go to corporate LAN and then transmitted to the internet as needed. However, just like scenario of M2M and SCADA, most current RFID systems stop to corporate LAN and other IoT systems. RFID middleware including edge middleware or edgeware is currently no doubt the most well-equipped, comprehensive, standardized middleware compared to other three pillar segment of IoT. So we know that the RFID architecture will have RFID data filter, data aggregator, data adapter, interface application integrator. As we discussed, it will have three sections: RFID device, RFID data processing and RFID data integration. And through the sensor, it is sent to this cloud. RFID, the format for the data collected physical markup language based on XML. An interface to the server containing PML record. A directory service called ONS, analogous to DNS, given a tag EPC, the ONS will provide pointer to PML server contain record related to the tag. An example of commercial RFID middleware product, IBM. Web-shaped sphere event delivers a new and enhanced capability to create robust, flexible and scalable platform for capturing new business value from sensor data. WebSphere sensor event is the platform for integrating new sensor data, identifying the relevant business event that are data from situational event processing and integrating acting upon event with the SOA business process. Wireless sensor network middleware. Wireless sensor network middleware is a kind of middleware providing desired service to sensor-based precision computing application that make use of wireless sensor network and related embedded operating system or firmware of the sensor node. In most cases, WSN middleware is implemented as embedded middleware on the node. It should be noted that most existing distributed system middleware technology aim at providing transparency abstraction by hiding the context information. Wireless sensor network based applications are usually required context aware. So as we know that we will have the wireless sensor network, middleware node side, middleware node side, middleware node side and middleware 3. 4 are there, it is connected to sync side. From the sync side we are going to sync node. From the sync node it is given to the WSN middleware user terminal side and is given to the application. A complete wireless sensor network middleware solution should include 4 major components: program abstraction, system service, runtime support, and quality of service mechanism. Programming abstraction defines the interface of the middleware to the application programmer. System service provides implementation to achieve the abstraction. Runtime services. Middleware of WXN should facilitate deployment, maintenance, development and execution of sensing-based application. Many of the challenges arises in designing middleware for wireless sensor network due to following reason: limited power and resources, mobile and dynamic network topology, heterogeneity, various kinds of hardware and network protocol, dynamic network organization, ad hoc capability. Wireless middleware is designed using a number of approaches such as virtual machine, mobile agent, database based, message oriented and productive. The WSN middleware is considered to be proactive middleware family. Examples of middleware are Magnet OS, Power Hour Adaptive. The whole network appears as a single JVM. Standard Java program are rewritten by Magnet as network component and the component may be injected into the network using Power Avail scheme. Impala, modulator, efficiency of update and support dynamic application. Application adoption with different profile possibility, energy efficiency, used in ZebraNet projector, fault wildlife monitoring. So from this we will understand that we are going to assess the questions from the topic what we will have. So normally we want to know the different types of middleware architecture, how they are used in IoT using RFID and wireless sensor network, and finally we will have the SCADA. So here DAS define the interface of middleware to the application program. So what we discussed already, DAS is a kind of middleware providing the desired service for sensor based precision computing application. DAS shares a similar 3-tiered communication architecture. So you know the way how we are going to share the data through the middleware architecture. These are all the assessment questions from that video, how we can assess the performance. Thank you.